How to share YouTube video on WhatsApp with timestamp. I'll be using my iPhone for this example, but the steps remain the same even if you are using an Android device. All you'll need to do is open your Chrome app. Once in Google Chrome, you're going to tap on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner. Then from there, I want you to select Settings. After selecting Settings, you're going to scroll down. And what I want you to do next is you're going to tap right where you see Content Settings. After selecting Content Settings, you're going to select Default Site View. And you want to select Desktop. Then tap on Done. Then you're just going to type in YouTube. After typing in YouTube, from there you could tap on youtube.com. After selecting youtube.com, from there you can search for the video that you would like to share. So I could scroll down and let's say for example I would like to share this video by Mr. B. So I can select the video. Then once the ads are finished playing, I'll tap on skip. And you can select the section that you would like to share. So I like to share it at 13 minutes and 19 seconds. Then we'll just tap on share. And you'll tap on start at. And you're just going to copy the link. After you have copied the link, from there we could open WhatsApp. Or you could tap on WhatsApp right there. But we're just going to copy the link for now. And we'll go into WhatsApp, and then from there we could paste the link. And you can see it right there. And if a person opens it and taps on that particular link, so let me send it real quick. Once the person receives it and taps on the link, it will automatically carry them to YouTube, as you can see right here. And it will carry them to that exact section of the video, as you can see there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.